Doing good.
Wow. You're a certified awning opener and you're a certified Subaru mechanic.
You don't even work on Subarus.
And I bought this shirt by accident.
It's like a nesting doll.
Yeah, that's those little Russian
Yeah.
things. Yeah. Hey, look, there it is.
That'll help a little bit. How's it going?
Better now.
So it turns out when you buy a Fiamma awning, all the instructions are kind of translated over from Italian. It's a little difficult to understand.
Did you know what?
No, what?
Did you know it's a prerequisite when you're working on vans to wear dad shoes and dad shorts?
I didn't know that. Hey, why don't you explain what you just had to do?
So, the parameters of putting the brackets on this thing, there's support stickers on the back. And the brackets have to go over the support stickers. But the distance between the center support and the side support, this distance here, has to be the same as this distance here. But they put this little fancy little bracket here in the way. So if you put everything over the support stickers where they're supposed to go, you can't get the bolt in through here because there's a bracket in the way. So we had to do some
Finagling.
and some math. And we just shifted everything over this way a little bit. We have a little more distance here than we do on the other end, but we're still within their parameters. So
It's still over the support beams, which they show you right
we
there.
still should be good. It's as close as we can get.
And I explained that it was translated from Italian, so it's a little difficult.
Yeah. That's
And the measurements are millimeters and centimeters.
mm-hmm.
Us Americans aren't used to that.
No, we fought a war, so we don't have to use millimeters and centimeters.
So I think we got it. Now what?
Now I'm gonna mark it, drill some holes, so when I get it mounted, I can put a nut and a bolt in the bottom. But I gotta drill it first because I can't do it once it's on the van.
What's that tool called?
I don't know, auto punch, something.
Oh, nice.
Just marks the center of the hole. So the drill bit will have some rest in.
Remember when you almost didn't buy those because you were too cheap? And they were like,
They were $10.
would you rather put a hole in the van or use that?
Will it go into my hand? We shall see.
I hope not. Did it go?
Should I make this up all the way or should I just put it down since gravity's probably gonna pull it down anyway?
But if you do it up, you'll be able to get those bolts on the bottom, right?
No, but if I pull it down and one of them slides, then it's gonna come out.
Yeah, just do. Let's go with gravity. Yeah?
Can you hand me one of those bolts?
And now the part I've been dreading.
Don't drop it to the side of the fan. It's not that heavy. Just have to hold it. Got it. Wanna hold it there? Double check. have to adjust front to back.
Just like that, it's done. Almost. It's up.
It's kind of up.
Does it need to go out more?
Yeah, keep going. Huh?
Yeah.
All right, first time. First time.
Doing good.
Boy. Like the angle.
It's still not out all the way. Good job.
So like, just put these way up.
Yeah.
How's it look?
Looks great. This is so exciting. Good job, babe.
You reel it in so it's taut.
And it can go all the way out, right? Like these could be straight.
I think you're supposed to be straight, yeah.
Yeah. So that's pretty.
Wanna try it?
That's pretty long. We don't have room. Yeah. Cool. Good job. High five. Here is the project that I'm working on this morning. We are insulating this little headliner, the pizza oven area as they call it. So what we're doing is Brian put Reflectix on the back, and then I'm gonna cut out a piece of insulate to just set on top, and then we will put it up there. And just like that, we have an insulated headliner. I didn't get too crazy with like the measurements and stuff. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then I just used double-sided tape to kind of hold down some of the little pieces. So yeah, we're ready to go.
Almost fails. Push it till it cracks and shove it in more.
Wise words by Brian. That was fun. Good job though, you got it in.
Good thing I taught myself how to take them out, so I knew how to put them back in.
Good thing we videoed that whole process because we watched the video to make sure we knew how to do it. So, headliner's in.
Oh my. Why does it have so many parts?
Why don't you just shut that and we'll look at that later. Out of sight, out of mind.
Another day.